The Car Keys Express SnapKey affiliate program. Your best new opportunity because our products are in everyone's pockets. Hey influencers, with thousands of products to promote, how do you choose one when you really don't know if your followers even use the product? Well, Car Keys Express has a revolutionary product everyone uses every day, at least twice. For decades, replacing car keys meant a trip to the dealership because they have the expensive keys, key-cutting machines, and special computers that make the key work with your car. Not anymore. Now there's an app for that. Say hello to SnapKey. SnapKey lets you do it yourself using your phone. That's right, no more trips to the dealership. Here's how it works. Take pictures of your key. We'll ship you a new key that's already cut, along with an easy installer to make the key work with your car. That's it. For the first time in automotive history, you can do it yourself with your phone. It's safe, secure, and works for 90% of vehicles on the road. It works on all key types, including standard keys, remote keys, even smart keys. Why is this such a unique and big opportunity? There are 3 reasons: breakthrough convenience, everyday carry, and monopoly buster. First, breakthrough convenience. For the first time ever, consumers can skip the dealership and do it themselves without ever leaving home. Only Car Keys Express and you have access to this patented technology. Everyday carry. Every day when you leave home, you take 3 things: your phone, wallet, and keys. Part of what's known as your everyday carry, meaning the products we're promoting are literally in everyone's pockets. Monopoly buster. You can get a mobile phone or a wallet anywhere, but if you want to replace a car key, you have to go to one store, the dealership. That's a monopoly, and it's been that way for 30 years. Breakthrough convenience, everyday carry, monopoly buster. Where else can you get this kind of opportunity? Let's talk commissions. When we cut keys, you get a cut. For each sale, you get great commissions. And remember, there are 280 million North American drivers who use these every day. With today's keys costing $400 or more, consumers are desperate for alternatives. And with the end of a 30-year monopoly, that's a lot of pent-up demand. Car Keys Express is the world leader in car keys. Each month, our web store attracts hundreds of thousands of new customers. Since 2002, we've sold millions of keys, all while amazing our customers. Our rapid growth made us winners of the Inc. magazine Inc. 5000 Award, recognizing America's fastest-growing companies 6 years straight. Now, we're growing even faster with disruptive technologies like SnapKey, breakthrough convenience, everyday carry, monopoly buster. Only Car Keys Express has the patented technologies that make this possible. SnapKey is launching now, so don't wait. Lead the revolution in automotive key replacement and cash in on decades of pent-up demand. Join the Car Keys Express SnapKey affiliate program today.